The profile node contains a lot of options to analyze and help you as a lead, for example, or as a Nuke TD to understand what's happening inside your comp. As you see, I just analyzed the profile 2 and 10 frame and have a lot of information. I know about the lot of CPU and memory maybe used by the corner pin 2D, but strangely, the operation is more in the read and the grade. There is some information about group 2, so maybe there is a group node. And as you see, you have now information not only about node, but about the class of node. You can change the presentation through different manner. In our case, you can choose, for example, node by name. That become easier to know what's happening inside your Chrome, because you know which node is pretty heavy inside. So the read from white node, there is the corner pin. The corner pin is often an issue, and that's a heavy node. Strangely, and the memory, the read is especially take a lot of memory too. You can change how you see that. For example, we have the bars, but you can change for a pie. So as you see, you have the color depending on the class node. Timeline. Perfect to know who will take memory on 10 frame. And you have the table. So you can decide to change who will be displayed inside. So if I go on a list, everything disappears, but I can select a node like this and click on add selected, and I will be able to select another one, this one, and as you see now the bar show me the two nodes as selected, corner pin and transform. You can decide to export the information. In our case, Nuke is able to export CML and XML, so just select your file, click and export CSV and XML. But you can do the invert. You can load the profile from another node. You can load a report. So, for example, in my case, I will report profile 3, so I will open it. And as you see, so everything disappears. That's logical because it tried to show me the selected node, but I don't have it, so I will click on all. And now I'm able to read my XML file and have a lot of information about the profile 3.